Okay, as we saw in the previous lesson, the print statement is going to print whatever we put within the parentheses. That prints 10. And if we put the numbers within quotes, the Python interpreter will treat them as strings instead of numbers, and it will concatenate. Concatenate just means one gets placed after the other. Now, something interesting is going to happen when we try and combine the two different types, a string and a number, an int. We get an error. Take note of this error: can't convert int object to stir implicitly. I'll just put it right here in a comment. Let's try and print in the opposite order. First the int, then the string. This time we get a different error. Unsupported operand types for plus, int, and stir. So strangely, that order seems to matter. Exactly why they're different and the way that they're different is not important right now, but what's most important is that you know that when you're trying to combine different types with the plus sign, Python doesn't know how to deal with it. So there are a couple solutions to this problem. One is to do what's called a cast. A cast is where you change it from one type to the other. So if I want to change the string 5 into an int, it adds it. And if I want to change the int 5 into a string, it concatenates it. Finally, if I don't want to change anything, I can use a comma to separate the different types. However, one thing to keep in mind when using a comma to separate things into print zones, it puts a space between them, and you can't avoid that. Thanks for your time, and make sure and head over to brainstemschool.com if you haven't already. Download the free ebook, check out the posts, participate in a conversation, and happy coding.